because of course, we had Timsy breaking this story that they may receive first tranche of that fraud money. You reckon this could be a bit of a game changer for PNB? We've seen big rally in all PSU banks. PNB has not participated in that. You reckon this could be something big?
See, Anuj, I think that probably amongst all the PSU bank, you have the best risk reward in favor of buying PNB. And if you really want to take the probability, it is 10% risk, 90% gain. Because if you see the 2 or 3 events lined up, first is of 33% stake sale in PNB Housing can give them about 8,000 crore. Monetization of the real estate in New Delhi and all that can give them about 1,500 crore to about 1,200 to 1,500 crore. These 9,500 crore broadly look certain unless until they receive this fraud money to the extent of about 6,000-7,000 crore in next 2-3 years. And if the bank decides to put on hold the way we have seen for Canbank, Canara Bank, where they have put on hold the Canfin. So these two things are seen certain. Now coming on the fraud money of about 13,000-14,000 crore, in fact the beautifully the case is building up against Nirav Modi and Mehul Chokshi. And in fact it is not only the building of the case, it is in fact the recovery of the money which is seen possible maybe to the extent of 3,000 to 4,000 crore on a conservative basis. And lastly on the NCLT account also, because we have seen 2 or 3 resolutions likely to happen. One is of Bhushan Power, and even SR Steel, which has gone on a cold storage for quite some time, may get revived again. And apart from that, because of this February 12th circular coming to an end, there in fact we will start seeing the outcome of the many of the cases. So I think all in all, things are seen going in favor of the bank. In fact, on the fraud money front, bank has already provided for 65% in case of Nirav Modi and Mehul Chokshi. So that is seen also quite comforting, that you don't need to provide anything more on all these stress loans or stress assets, but you have the hopes of recovery seen coming in over the next 2 to 3 months. So I think PNB is placed in a very smart positions, and I won't be surprised to see this stock giving a gain of maybe about 20 to 25% in next 3 to 4 months from the current level.
Okay.